Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about YouTube demonetization. If your channel has been demonetized, don't worry. In this video I will teach you step-by-step guide on how to get your channel back again. And in case your channel have not been monetized, it will also benefit you for you not to do the wrong things when you are monetized. Normally it takes so many channels 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, even 2 years to get their channel back again, and in my own case it took me just 1 month. Remember, here YouTube normally give you 1 month. I said that is why you will be able to reapply for the YouTube partner program in 30 days. Yes, it normally take 1 month, but so many channels find it difficult to get their channel back again once they are demonetized. Now in this video I will show you 3 steps what I personally did that under 1 month I got my channel back again, and my YouTube videos was what has been monetized. Well, this is my channel. Let me go to my YouTube studio. You can see this message here. Congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. You can now monetize your videos and access or support. You can see this, my monetization is on here. But when I received this particular email from YouTube, well, what I did was that first thing you need to do is you go to your YouTube studio and you go to this place. Look here, you can see this monetization. When you click on monetization, then you will see the reason why YouTube demonetize your channel. One, some people is because their channel have reused content, some are repetitive content. These are the 2 major things that many YouTubers face. Now please hear me and hear me out. Just watch this video to the end, because what I'm about to tell you will get your channel back if you are demonetized, believe me. Now the first thing that I did when I received this mail that my channel was no longer eligible for monetization, I now discovered that it was because of repetitive content. So what I did was I checked the date YouTube normally send your payment to your AdSense account. Remember, YouTube between the 7th and 15th they normally send your payment to your AdSense account, and this period they normally check YouTube. They're using their database to check channels that did not go against their terms and condition. Now since I received payment last month, that simply means the video that must have caused YouTube to demonetize my channel must have been uploaded within the period of 1 month. So I started editing my video within the period of 1 month. So another thing I did, let me show you, was that in terms of that YouTube repetitive content, what actually happened, please just kindly listen to me. What actually happened was that, like my channel, I talk about crypto trading, crypto prediction, and how to make money online. Now I was talking about Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I was giving out price prediction between the year 2022 to 2030. Now I gave out my own personal, this is why the YouTube now blocked me. Now this is what happened. I gave out my own personal prediction from the year 2022, 2023 down to 2030. The same coins, I also did another video which I also gave out almost the same prediction, but that particular prediction wasn't my prediction. It was the prediction I decided to do a research of YouTube crypto professionals. I check different site prediction site to see what they think about this coin. Then the first video was about my own prediction, then the second video was about prediction of different professionals. Now the title looked the same. Okay, the title of that video, they look almost the same. For example, I use something like, for example, let's say Chronos, or let me say Cardano price prediction 2022, 2023, 2024, that 2030. And in my video, that is entitled, in my video I also mentioned the same thing, Cardano price prediction. Now for the video I did for professionals, crypto professional prediction, I also said expert Cardano prediction 2022, 2023. Now they now look alike as if it's a repetitive content. Okay, now what you need to do, please can you hold it? Let me just show you this. Look at what happened here. YouTube said what we check when we review your channel. Remember, they said they will check the main thing. They will check most view videos, they will check your newest videos, your biggest proportion of watch time, and of course they will check video metadata, and like for example the title, the thumbnail, and description. So what I did, the first thing I did was to go to my YouTube description. Remember, they said they will check all these things. I rewrited my description. I added some new things on my description just to change it. Then secondly, I redesigned my YouTube cover cards. Yes, I just added one or two. I only have about Cardano, Shiba Inu, and then crypto.com. Now I now added Ethereum and Dogecoin just to make it different. This is what I did. Then the second thing I did was to edit my videos. There are some videos that you don't need to delete them. You can also, if you feel like deleting, you can delete and check those videos that didn't do well, okay, that I uploaded within that period. I decided to delete them because I just want my channel back. The most important thing that I need my channel back, okay. I want my channel to be monetized again. So those videos that didn't do well, I decided to delete them. The one that did well, which like I said, that the title look alike, I edited the title and gave it another title. Now in the video itself, I also mentioned from the beginning of the video, for example, let's say for example Cardano price prediction 2022-2023, some go down, then expert Cardano price prediction 2022. I said to remove that beginning, which I said Cardano price prediction. So what I did was to edit my video, and the other one I did was to delete some videos. So if you want to edit your video and maybe your channel has been demonetized because of what? Because of repetitive content or reused content. If you want to edit your video, what you need to do is that you go to that particular video which you feel that maybe the issues come from the video. Click on that video. Okay, once you click on that video, then you can change the video title here, and you can also change the video description. Then go to editor. Look here, you see where they write editor. You click on what? Editor. When you click on editor, this is what you will see. For example, okay, the editor is opening. So when you click on editor, all you need to do is what? You trim. Okay, for example, I'm going to click on trim here. Okay, so once I click on that, I cannot play my video. When I play this video, I'll not look at those places that I repeated, like the other one. Let's say this one is F-coin price prediction. Now expert F-coin price prediction in that another video. I will not remove that F-coin price prediction 2022, 2023, 2024 down to 2030. So when you click on this trim, let's say from the beginning, because most of my video was from the beginning, I will only use I will only drag this or this place here. That simply means from this place to this place, YouTube editor will cut it off. I also listen to the video down to the end. It maybe sometimes it might be in the middle where I said something that I also repeated it in other videos. Okay, I will like, let me just cut off that part too. All you need to do is click on what? Split here. You click on this. When you click on it, you can now also edit videos from that particular part. So these are the things that I did that within 1 month I have to YouTube asked me to reapply for YouTube partner program. Remember, they said it have to take you 30 days for you to reapply. So this email was what email I received, and after, look at the date here, February 21, 2022 is when I received this email that my channel is no longer eligible for monetization. Okay, now let me check the email that I received. Then this particular email also came on March, so that was February 21, and this one is March 24, 2022. Congratulations, you have been approved to join the YouTube partner program. Okay, congratulations. So I was like happy, and it took me only 1 month, unlike so many people 3 months, 4 months. So these are what I did to get my channel monetized again. And please, if this video helped you and you like this video, please kindly drop your comment, or if you have any question about the monetization, please drop your question in the comment section below. I will reply your questions and give you feedback. Also, please like this video and share this video. kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, because we always upload good quality videos, how to make money online, crypto trading, crypto prediction.